Imagine a society where the rules aren't just written on some piece of paper, but they're literally baked into the country's operating system. So today, we're going to dive into a pretty radical concept called the sovereign network, this vision for a society where the Constitution actually enforces itself with code.
And that really gets to the core question here, right? Forget having to trust politicians to uphold the law. What if the Constitution, the very foundation of a society, could enforce its own rules automatically? This isn't about finding better leaders. It's about building a system where it's impossible, by design, to break the most fundamental rules.
Okay, so what does a code-based democracy actually look like in practice? Let's break it down and explore what a system like this would mean, where your fundamental rights aren't just promises, they're cryptographic guarantees.
At the very heart of this is something called the Sovereign Network DAO. A DAO is a Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Think of it like a constitutional democracy. But the Constitution isn't just a dusty old document, it's built using smart contracts. Now, you can think of smart contracts as digital rules that just run themselves automatically. It's like a vending machine. Once you put the money in, it is physically required to give you your snack. So, if a law says you have a right, the code makes sure that right is protected. The whole thing is designed to resist corruption from the get-go.